Hello, welcome back. Today, we're going to learn 3 speaking patterns. Well, the first speaking pattern goes to with when it comes to something or somebody. Neပတ်သက်လာရင် Well, shall we take a look at the first sentence? When it comes to love, I'm always unlucky. When it comes to love, I'm always unlucky. အချစ်နဲ့ပတ်သက်လာရင်ကိုကအမြဲကန်ဆိုးနေတာ Well, sentence number 2. When it comes to you, I'm ready to give my soul. When it comes to you, I'm ready to give my soul. မင်းနဲ့ပတ်သက်လာရင်ကိုအသက်ကိုပေးဖို့အဆင်သင့်ပါ Example number 3. When it comes to studies, I'm always sleepy. When it comes to studies, I'm always sleepy. စာနဲ့ပတ်သက်လာရင်ငါအမြဲအိမ်နိုင်တယ် Example number 4. When it comes to Korea, I love everything. When it comes to Korea, I love everything. Korea နဲ့ပတ်သက်လာရင်ငါအရာအလုံးကိုမျက်နှာတယ် Well, let's take a look at example number 5. When it comes to me, you always ignore. When it comes to me, you always ignore. ငါနဲ့ပတ်သက်လာရင်နေအမြဲရှောင်နေတာ Alright, let's take a look at the next speaking pattern. Sooner or later. အနေနဲ့အမြန်ပဲမကြာခင် I will be able to speak English sooner or later. I will be able to speak English sooner or later. ငါအင်္ဂလိပ်စကားကိုပြောနိုင်တော့မှာအနည်းနဲ့အမြန်ပဲ Example number 2. I will go abroad sooner or later. I will go abroad sooner or later. ငါနိုင်ငံခြားကိုသွားတော့မှာအနည်းနဲ့အမြန်ပဲ Example number 3. I will achieve my goal sooner or later. I will achieve my goal sooner or later. ငါပန်းတိုင်းကိုရောက်တော့မှာအနည်းနဲ့အမြန်ပဲ Sentence number 4. If you get angry with him very often, he will leave you sooner or later. If you get angry with him very often, he will leave you sooner or later. နင်သူ့ကိုမကြာခဏစိတ်ဆိုးနေရင်သူနင့်ကိုထားသွားတော့မှာအနည်းနဲ့အမြန်ပဲ Well, shall we take a look at example number 5? I will run my own business sooner or later. I will run my own business sooner or later. ငါကိုပိုင်စီးပွားရေးစတော့မှာအနည်းနဲ့အမြန်ပဲ Alright, shall we take a look at the last speaking pattern, the talk of people. လူပြောစရာဖြစ်တာလူတွေပြောစကား Well, let's take a look at the first example. I don't care about the talk of people. I only care about you. I don't care about the talk of people. I only care about you. သူများပြောတာတွေကိုငါဂရုမစိုက်ဘူးမင်းပြောတာကိုပဲကိုစိတ်ဝင်စားတာသူများပြောတာတွေကိုကိုဂရုမစိုက်ဘူးမင်းပြောတာကိုပဲကိုကစိတ်ထဲထားတာ Well, let's take a look at the second example. Sentence number 2. Even if we became the talk of people, I will still choose you. Even if we became the talk of people, I will still choose you. ငါတို့ကလူတွေပြောစရာဖြစ်နေရင်တောင်မှငါကမင်းကိုပဲရွေးချယ်မှာ Example number 3. The talk of people will never change how I feel about you. The talk of people will never change how I feel about you. ကိုမင်းပေါ်ထားတဲ့ခံစားချက်ကလူတွေရဲ့ပြောစကားတွေကြောင့်ဘယ်တော့မှပြောင်းလဲမှာမဟုတ်ဘူး Sentence number 4. If you wear short skirts in this village, you will be the talk of people. If you wear short skirts in this village, you will be the talk of people. နီဒီရွာမှာစကတ်အတူတွေကိုဝတ်မယ်ဆိုရင်လူတွေရဲ့ပြောစရာဖြစ်သွားမယ် Well, shall we take a look at example number 5? Their dating news becomes the talk of people. Their dating news becomes the talk of people. သူတို့ချိန်တွေ့တဲ့သတင်းကလူတွေရဲ့ပြောစရာဖြစ်လာတယ် Alright, that's all for today's speaking patterns. I hope you enjoyed these videos and make sense for these speaking patterns. You can create your own sentences and leave the comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe my videos. Alright, bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.